What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Fluctuate King 215 here. Hey, will this thing shut the fuck up? Like, ain't nothing burning. I'm just here gonna show y'all how to cook up some bacon, you know. And don't mind that noise in the background. Just me watching WWE Network. So, you know, cooking bacon ain't too hard. Just get my palette ain't working, so I'm stuck with using the stove, and I don't know why this damn frying pan like to keep sliding all over the place. So it is what it is. So go in there. Yeah, this piece like it's about done. Ah, shut the hell up. You see this, y'all? I don't know why this thing, like... You want that joint sit there and sizzle for a minute? Oh, shit. Anyway. How y'all guys been? I ain't been up much. Just figure, you know, since, well, how I put it, trying to cut down on expenses. So eating out every day doing me no favors. So figure I might as well know how to cook, right? Which is what I'm doing. So already ate an omelet today, cooked one. Had a lot of spices, pepperoni, and roast beef in it. Came out pretty good. You know. So, if anybody here follow me on Instagram, I don't know if y'all do, but my Instagram is Too Blunt for You. Spelled in words like, only thing that's not spelled out is the word you. It's the letter U. So Too Blunt for You. That's it. All right, I guess it's time to flip this bitch. I guess shit. Oh. Damn grease! Fuck! Shit! Damn! Just pop me in the ass, man. That damn grease. That thing swears something burning, man. Shit.
There's something about you just completely different. You down in the dumps. Just your Christmas walk, you know, maybe not at all. You maybe figure your eyes, whole thing, you can do. It's not good. That's what I see. It is what it is. You know what I said once, I'll say it again. You deserve a rematch for the world title. Well, basically what I'm asking you is, what do you feel about it? What do you want to feel about it? Bring it to anything about it.
Man.
Shawn Michaels ain't gonna do nothing about it.
Cooking is fun, but it's a pain in the ass at the same time. It's a pain in the ass.
You come back from the back injury that you came back from. What do you want from me?
Finish this piece off.
He's in, and I'm out. It's that simple.
Oh, that's about it. That's all done. Oh shit. Cut this bitch off. I don't know what it is. I'm about to bomb me another frying pan, cause I know frying pans are not supposed to keep gliding. That thing wants to keep gliding, and this thing doesn't want to shut up. Fuck it. Anyway, check out the final products. All right. Some good apple, I think it's called apple smoked bacon. You know, it's easy, just get a frying pan, set the oil in it, lay your bacon down. Of course, wash it first. Gotta wash that bacon. That's it. and just let it in, put it in the pan, wash it, flip it on both sides so they both done, and that's it. There you got bacon. Other than that, you have a good one.